Hey guys, attraction spot here at Silverwood, about to ride on Stunt Pilot. This is kind of like the one at California's Great America. The train's a little bit longer. Yeah, here we go. Enjoy this ride. I'm gonna do the challenge again. Try to do this. Go. Gotta keep my arms out. Oh man, that was awesome.
Welcome back, pilots. That was some extra fun.
Thanks guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Like this video if you love roller coasters. And I will see you guys later. You can now join and become a member of Attraction Spot and be a part of the AS fam. All you have to do is head over to our YouTube channel and click join. Then you can become a member and get exclusive perks, such as a custom badge and comments and live chat that gets more exclusive the longer you have your membership, from 1 month all the way to 2 years. Early access to our new videos, exclusive community tab posts, be a featured member on our videos, and custom emojis. All you have to do is click join. The monthly subscription amount may be different depending on which country you live in, and some countries may currently not offer it. Fill out the payment information, click buy, and that's it. You're now part of the AS fam.